We are very pleased to announce the next conference in Slovenia in its capital, Ljubljana. So you are very welcome from July 7 to 12, 2024, in one of the smallest European capitals, a university city, a green capital of culture, art and festivals.
The conference is going to be hosted by the Faculty of Education, University of Ljubljana, and the Republic of Slovenia Public Fund for Cultural Activities, Department of Dance.
Founded in 1919, the University of Ljubljana consists of 23 faculties and 3 art academies. The Faculty of Education at the University of Ljubljana trains and develops teachers and other educational professionals from preschool, primary school teachers, art and STEM teachers to experts in social, special and rehabilitation education. The university is a comprehensive, research-oriented with various fields of study.
Republic of Slovenia Public Fund of Cultural Activities is a state institution covering all areas of youth and non-professional culture and arts, music, theater and puppetry, film and video, literature, visual arts and dance as an art form. The main mission of Dance Department is to teach and promote contemporary dance and creative movement. To all who dance or wish to dance, we offer various forms of expert help, including different forms of training, performance opportunities and encouragements for creativity.
In keeping with the goals of daCi and the philosophy of the daCi, the conference will focus on young people's learning through the movement of the dancing body.
The conference will focus mostly on creative dance, and we will try to promote I for imagination, I for improvisation, inclusion, identity, intelligence and interdisciplinarity.
So, we are looking forward to meet you all live in Ljubljana in 2024.
Save the date and join us in dance-friendly Ljubljana.
I dance for confidence.
I dance for confidence.
I dance for confidence.
I dance for confidence.
We dance for confidence.
I dance for confidence.
I dance for confidence.
We dance for confidence.
I dance for confidence.
I dance for confidence.
I dance for confidence. I dance for confidence. I dance for confidence.
I dance for confidence.